Turkey tail mushroom, or Trametes versicolor, is a fascinating and widely studied medicinal mushroom with a striking appearance reminiscent of the colorful tail feathers of a turkey. This mushroom has a rich history of traditional use in various cultures and is gaining much recognition for its potential health benefits, including improving gut health, boosting the immune system, and may even possess anti-cancer properties. This mushroom is a common fungal species of the Basidiomycetes class and can be found growing on logs, stumps, or dead trunks of deciduous trees such as oak or birch, and some conifers such as fir and pine trees that reside in North America, Asia, and Europe. Like many others in its class, turkey tail is a white rot fungus. These fungi play an important role in breaking down lignin and rotting wood, leaving behind whitish, soft, spongy cellulose. This action helps return the nutrients to the soil where other plants may access them for their own. It gets its name from its appearance, flat, fan-shaped, multicolored rings of the mushroom that look much like, you guessed it, a turkey's tail. In other cultures, you may hear this mushroom referred to by its Chinese name, yungshi, which translates to cloud fungus, or its Japanese name, kawarataki, or mushroom by the riverbank. Etymology. Trametes, the genus name, comes from the prefix tram, meaning thin, and etes, meaning one who is. So the full Latin prefix means one who is thin. The epithet versicolor means of several colors, a descriptive name that is fully justified not only by the variability of the coloring from specimen to specimen, but also the presence of several color bands on the upper surface of a single fruit body. So the full Latin binomial name means one who is thin of several colors. Originally scientifically described in 1753 by Carl Linnaeus, who gave it the binomial name Boletus versicolor. It was as recently as 1939 that this species was renamed Trametes versicolor by Czech mycologist Albert Pilat. The wide range of color variations of this attractive and durable fungus have given it many uses. At one time, it was even used as a hat decoration. But turkey tail has been used in Eastern medicine for thousands of years to treat various health conditions and concerns. Most of its traditional use stems from ancient China and Japan, where medicinal mushrooms were enthusiastically embraced in healing and medicine. In many Asian cultures, turkey tail symbolizes longevity and health, spiritual attunement, and infinity. Known in Chinese culture as Tun Shi, it has been used for centuries by practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, as an immunomodulator that supports immune function and helps fight infections. Many have brewed turkey tail into a soothing tea to clear dampness, increase energy, and strengthen the lungs, stomach, and spleen. This functional mushroom's ability to support the health of both an underactive and overactive immune system is unique and long valued among physicians of traditional medicine. Turkey tail was mentioned in the first written text on medicinal herbs from the Han Dynasty, Xingnong Bingkaojing around 200 BC. There is also a record of turkey tail in the Compendium of Materia Medica, Bingkaogangmu, from the Ming Dynasty in the 15th century. In this text, turkey tail is said to promote vitality, healthy liver function, and strong bones and muscles. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. In China, turkey tail mushroom is known as yunxi, or cloud mushroom. It has been used for centuries in TCM to support overall health and well-being. In ancient Chinese texts, it is mentioned as a potent herb for enhancing vitality, strengthening the body, and promoting longevity. Japanese culture and Kampo medicine. In Japan, turkey tail mushroom is known as kawarataki, or cloud mushroom, and has been highly regarded for centuries. It is a prominent ingredient in Kampo medicine, a traditional Japanese system of herbal medicine. Turkey tail mushroom has been utilized for its immune-boosting properties and as a general tonic to support overall health. Traditional European medicine. Throughout Europe, turkey tail mushroom has been part of traditional herbal medicine practices. It was historically used to support respiratory health, ease digestive complaints, and promote general wellness. Indigenous use in North America. Indigenous tribes in North America, such as the Native American Cherokee, have a rich history of utilizing turkey tail mushroom for its medicinal properties. It was traditionally brewed into teas or decoctions and used to treat various ailments including respiratory conditions, digestive issues, and infections. Identification. Cap appearance. The cap of turkey tail mushroom is fan-shaped and can measure anywhere from 2 to 8 centimeters in diameter. The surface of the cap is concentrically zoned with different colors, resembling the pattern of a turkey tail's feathers. The colors can vary but commonly include shades of brown, tan, white, gray, and sometimes hints of blue or green. Underside. The underside of the cap features tiny pores instead of gills. These pores are densely packed and appear in multiple layers. They are usually white or beige but can darken with age. Texture. The cap surface is smooth and often velvety or slightly fuzzy to the touch. It may have a leathery or cork-like texture. Coloration. The pore surface of the mushroom is highly variable, displaying a spectrum of colors. It typically exhibits rings or bands of different hues ranging from white, light gray, beige, and brown to darker shades of blue, green, or black. Size and growth habit. The mushroom grows in overlapping clusters or shelves, often forming large colonies on decaying wood, such as fallen logs or tree stumps. Individual brackets can range in size from a few inches to several inches in length. Fungal structure. Turkey tail mushroom is a bracket fungus, meaning it forms shelf-like structures that project horizontally from the wood. These brackets can be thin or thick and have a leathery consistency. They are often stacked upon each other in layers resembling the overlapping tail feathers of a turkey. Spore print. To obtain a spore print for identification, place a fresh turkey tail mushroom cap with the pore surface facing downwards on a piece of white paper or glass. Cover it with a bowl or cup to create a sealed environment and leave it undisturbed overnight. The resulting spore print will help determine the mushroom spore color, which is usually white to pale yellow. Odor and taste. Turkey tail has no distinctive taste or smell. Habitat and ecological role. This thin, leathery fungus attacks mainly dead wood, fallen or standing. It is most commonly found on hardwood trees, mainly as a sapropic or wood-rotting fungus, but sometimes as a weak parasite on living trees. Season. These annual bracket fungi can be found year-round, but they are at their best in autumn and winter, which is when they release their spores. Medicinal benefits. Turkey tail has an array of medicinal qualities and numerous health benefits currently being proven by scientists. Here are a few of the amazing discoveries that are starting to be understood by modern science. Turkey tails have adaptogenic properties, supports the immune system, supports a healthy inflammation response, protects DNA from damage, has anti-cancer and tumor-suppressing activity, supports gut health, supports liver health, improves athletic performance, and may support blood sugar balance. Number 1. Turkey tail mushrooms are adaptogens. As their name suggests, adaptogens help the body adapt to various types of stressors we may come across. This includes physical, biological, or chemical stressors. Adaptogens interact with the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis to help stabilize your cortisol levels under stress and assist the body in reaching balance again. Number 2. Turkey tail supports the immune system. Bioactive compounds in functional mushrooms can have potent immunostimulatory effects. Turkey tail enhances both the innate and adaptive immune responses, the body's first and second lines of defense. Preclinical studies show that polysaccharides from turkey tail can induce proliferation of both T and B cells. These findings suggest that turkey tail supplementation is a safe way to heighten the immune response in people with weakened immunity. Number 3. Turkey tail supports a healthy inflammation response. Reactive oxygen species include free radicals and other byproducts of cellular metabolisms, such as superoxide anion, hydrogen peroxide, and hydroxyl radical. They are also produced in the cellular response to exposure to foreign substances like ozone, cigarette smoking, air pollutants, and industrial chemicals. Some scientists think that turkey tail's effects on inflammatory responses can even help protect the brain as it ages. When used in conjunction with a ginkgo biloba extract, mice with mild memory problems associated with aging had elevated levels of antioxidant enzymes superoxide dismutase and catalase in their brains. Their brain tissue also had lower expression levels of certain inflammatory markers. Number 4. Turkey tail protects DNA from damage. Free radicals can also be harmful to your DNA, which is more sensitive to their damaging effects than other macromolecules are. Results from one study suggest that extracts from Trametes versicolor may have activities that can protect DNA, possibly due to high levels of phenolic compounds in the mushroom. The underlying mechanisms of these effects are not yet clear. Number 5. Anti-cancer activity. Turkey tail mushrooms have gained attention for their potential anti-cancer properties. Although it is important to note that they are not a standalone cure for cancer, rather they are being studied for their potential as complementary or supportive therapy alongside conventional cancer treatments. Number 6. Immune system enhancement. Turkey tail mushrooms contain bioactive compounds, particularly polysaccharopeptides and polysaccharides, that have been shown to stimulate the immune system. They can increase the activity of natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in identifying and destroying cancer cells. By enhancing immune function, turkey tail mushrooms may help the body's defense mechanisms against cancer. Number 7. Anti-tumor activity. Studies have indicated that certain compounds found in turkey tail mushrooms, such as polysaccharides and triterpenoids, possess anti-tumor properties. These compounds have demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells in laboratory studies. They may interfere with the signaling pathways involved in cancer cell proliferation, promote apoptosis, or program cell death in cancer cells, or inhibit angiogenesis, the formation of blood vessels that support tumor growth. Number 8. Immune modulation during cancer treatment. Cancer treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy can weaken the immune system. Turkey tail mushrooms may help mitigate some of the immunosuppressive effects of these treatments. Studies suggest that consuming turkey tail mushroom extract during cancer treatment could support immune function and potentially improve treatment outcomes. Number 9. Reduction of treatment side effects. Conventional cancer treatments often come with side effects such as nausea, fatigue, and weakened immune function. Some research suggests that turkey tail mushrooms may help alleviate these side effects. For example, they may have potential in reducing chemotherapy-induced side effects such as nausea and immunosuppression. Number 10. Turkey tail supports gut health. It is increasingly being understood that our overall health is highly dependent on our gut health. The composition of the gut microbiota affects everything from digestion to cognitive function. Beta-glucans contain bonds that cannot be broken down by human digestive enzymes. Large indigestible glycans also cannot cross the lining of the gut, so they must remain there until they are either used or excreted. This means that beta-glucans may be a potential source of prebiotics, which may contribute to changes in the health and composition of the gut microbiome. Number 11. Turkey tail supports liver health. The antioxidant activities of turkey tail may also support liver health. Some chemicals and their toxic metabolites may be harmful to the liver. Animal studies investigating liver impact commonly use the hepatotoxin carbon tetrachloride. This toxin produces ROS, a free radical called trichloromethyl, which are both bad news for the liver. Results from animal studies suggest that PSP could help protect the liver against trichloromethyl by regulating the immune response to the free radical, such as increasing levels of the protective antioxidants glutathione peroxidase and glutathione. Researchers identified one polysaccharide peptide in turkey tail called PSP1B1 that had hepaprotective effects in mice. Results from another study showed that mice that consumed PSP had lower levels of liver enzymes, indicating enhanced liver health. Number 12. Turkey tail improves athletic performance. Many researchers are turning to natural health products to find potential ways to help decrease sports fatigue and improve athletic ability. Improvements in sports fatigue may not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about functional mushrooms. However, animal studies have found that turkey tail polysaccharide peptide may enhance pain thresholds and have anti-fatigue activity. In one study, mice fed turkey tail extracts had greater forelimb grip strength and higher exercise tolerance than those that were not. Blood lactate supplies most of the energy for short, high-intensity exercise. It is measured with ammonia to help interpret an athlete's resistance to fatigue. Turkey tail extracts may help lower blood lactate and ammonia levels after exercise. As suggested by the above study's findings, this effect demonstrates that turkey tail extracts could help delay the onset of fatigue. Number 13. Turkey tail may support blood sugar balance. Healthy blood sugar regulation is key to achieving optimal health. All cells run on glucose or blood sugar. When there is insufficient sugar in the blood, cells don't get the energy they need. Blood vessels are negatively affected. Two hormones help ensure blood sugar levels stay within a narrow range. Insulin, which lowers blood sugar by escorting it out of the blood into the cells, and glucagon, which raises blood sugar by promoting the liver to convert stored glycogen into glucose. In order to achieve glucose homeostasis, it is important to maintain the body's sensitivity to insulin. Animal studies show that PSPs may just do that. They have been shown to support normal insulin sensitivity, which helps maintain blood glucose levels already within a healthy range. These results need to be replicated in clinical trials. However, these initial results in animals are very promising. How to take turkey tail mushroom. In traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine, turkey tail was prepared as a tea. That option is still available for those who can find and identify wild turkey tail. For the rest of us, we can look for turkey tail extracts in powder or capsule form. However, not all mushroom extracts and supplements are the same. To reap the benefits for your health, you must select a quality supplement. There are 3 important supplement buying guidelines to consider. Most importantly, look for a product whose label indicates that only turkey tail mushroom is used and not mycelium. Mycelium is essentially the root structure of the fungi. Not only does it contain fewer of the desirable biocompounds, but it is grown on grain. That grain is intertwined with the mycelium and ends up in the supplement. The grain the mycelium grows on dilutes the potency of the end product and loads it with unnecessary starch and filler. This is Blake from Walking the Wild, and if you are enjoying our channel and want to learn more about wild edibles, foraging, and herbalism, please like and subscribe, and we promise to keep those epic plant videos coming. Thank you so much for watching, and always keep your eyes open because you never know what you might find that's edible out in the wild.